because this double pan cooks food in steam and requires a very less amount of cooking oil. Therefore healthy food cooked in this pan is good for overweight people doing food dieting. You can use the double pan on a gas flame at home or a wood flame while on picnic. Both pans have grill lines which leave beautiful grill marks on grilled meat or fish. This spare silicone gasket is part of the product. You may experience the metal sound of this round double pan to have an idea of its premium quality. Its weight is around 2 kg. Inner coating is made of granite which makes its surface non-sticky. The strong granite coating will not peel off during use. The handles of both pans feature strong magnets which firmly close the pans during cooking. Because you can easily flip the side of double, it is ideal for making egg omelette. From this steam escape hole, the excess steam automatically exhausts while cooking, which makes your cooked food smell free. It also features this drip catch tray. You can easily detach both pans and use it as a frying pan, for examples to cook French fries. Before putting marinated fish, or chicken into the pan, it is a good idea to brush the pan surface with a little cooking oil. Due to its round shape, food cooks evenly in this double pan because the flame distributes evenly. This is its package box. This double-sided pan is easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and PFOA free. To buy this double grill pan on Amazon or AliExpress from any country of the world, please follow our affiliate links in description. You will bear no extra cost, but your little support is big for us. It will help Dozro to create more quality product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.